back to my channel, Adventures with Amira. Today I'm so excited to bring you guys a haul from Bath & Body Works. Online is where I really found a lot of the great merchandise, so let's get into it. Alright you guys, we're going to do this old school unboxing style. I just got this box off the front porch and I just wanted to show you guys what I got in this haul. The last few hauls I've had from them, they literally just have stuff slammed in here, which can get broken in shipment. I'm not sure what's going on with that. This is literally not very much packaging, but hopefully nothing is broken in here. Here's one of the first items that I got. This is just a gift bag, and I thought it was pretty because it's a pretty unique color green. I got a different green one at Christmas this year. It was kind of a plaid, and I really like that, but this kind of has a like braided print that looks almost like a fern print. I think I got this for about $2. And if you guys are interested in prices, just message me down below and I'll tell you guys what I picked up for, if I got it 50% off or whatnot. Everything I got in this haul was on sale. I picked up this Whiskey Reserve body wash because I've heard so many good things about it. It's kind of a masculine scent, but a lot of people use it as unisex, so I'm not really big into huge floral scents, so I was interested. I thought if I don't like it, my husband may like it, or my son. I do have a teenager going off to college, and I figured if worst come to worst, he can just take it off with him. This is a body wash called Amethyst Waves. This is one of their newer scents that also is a blind buy for me. I got quite a few things because they were on clearance in this haul that I have not tried before. This is a totally, the packaging made me buy it kind of product. I love amethyst crystals anyway, but I thought this was so pretty. I also purchased this in the Amethyst Waves body mist, and I wanted to smell this. Spray some into the lid. If you guys have tried this, let me know in the comments down below. Oh, this is nice. It reminds me of a Victoria's Secret scent. Love spell mixed with a coconut scent. This is a very interesting scent. I like it though. I think that this will work for me. I'll see. Once I spray it on, I'll see if it gives me a headache or not. Let's hope that it doesn't. I do have a teen daughter, so she probably will be glad to take that off my hands if I don't like it. I also bought the body wash in this watermelon mojito, and you guys, when I tell you this is one of my favorite scents that Bath & Body Works has ever come out with. I did a haul probably about 2 months ago. They had a $2.95 sale, which they don't have very often, and I picked up a bunch of watermelon mojito, which was a blind buy at the time. If you've ever smelled watermelon Jolly Ranchers, that's what this smells like, and it is amazing. I was so happy with the body spray, the lotion, and so I just bought a giant thing of the body wash. They have the little travel size ones too, but if you guys like watermelon, you are going to love this. Perfect for summer. Also got a few hand soaps. I really like this strawberry pound cake scent. As far as room sprays, this particular scent is my favorite, so I thought I would try it in the soaps as well. I got 2 of those. I also got 2 of these cinnamon spice vanilla sprays. These are really good, you guys. They last forever. You only need barely like a half of a spritz and it will scent your whole room. These are good to just keep in a bathroom. I take them with us when we travel, just in case we're in a weird smelling hotel room or something. And I've never been disappointed in these. This scent normally comes out around the holidays, so I was surprised to see it now, but I went ahead and picked up both of these. I also got this iced lemon pound cake lotion, and oh my goodness, I don't know why I'm such a sucker for the smell of anything lemon cookies, lemon pound cakes. Probably because my great grandma used to bake with me all the time when I was little, and this is one of the things we used to make together, and it literally smells like lemon pound cake. I just put some on my hand. Oh yeah, it dies down to more vanilla. The lemon really hits you in the first few notes of the fragrance, but it's so nice. I really, really enjoy this. And I haven't seen it very often in our store locally. We have more of a small store, so I don't think they get most of the things that we get online. This is another thing I never saw in our local store. This is the Fairytale Bath & Body Works spray. This is a blind buy that I'm not sure about, you guys. What do you think of this? If you smelled this before, please let me know in the comments down below. It's a very interesting scent. I'll have to try it on probably something I'm not wearing, like a piece of tissue or something, so I can smell it for a while to make sure it's not going to give me a headache. I love the thought of it though. I love anything with floral patterns like this, more classic vintage look, but we'll see how it goes. Let me know, like I said, what you think. It almost has like a ginger spice drop scent, like undernote to it. I don't know what that is I'm smelling. All right, this vanilla and Palo Santo, also a blind buy that I love. I just smelled this a second ago, and I'm really impressed with this. I bought this thinking I would give this to my son to take down to the dorm. I thought this would be good for like a room spray, but I don't know. Palo Santo also, if you're not familiar, is a holy wood that grows in Brazil. So you use it when you're doing blessings. They use it in a lot of churches and stuff like that. So I thought this might be good to clear the energy of a room. That and a few prayers, you never know. I also bought some of the body spray in the Whiskey Reserve. As far as I can tell, it smells pretty good. I'm gonna see what my husband thinks. And then I also got the Smooth Amber. This is another blind buy I got just because it was so inexpensive. I thought he could try it out. If not, my son probably would take it. But I saw so many good reviews on this. If you guys have smelled this, let me know that too in the comments. I'm so interested in what you guys like and what you don't like. The Waikiki Beach Coconut is a classic scent, and this packaging is so gorgeous, you guys. Look at the little leaves. It definitely looks like Hawaii. Then I got some of their room wallflower scents. This is the cinnamon spice vanilla. These were also very marked down. I did not see that packaging at Christmas that I saw on the can, so I don't know if they just had these left over from fall. I'm not sure, but I always get these when I can find them. One of my favorite scents is Holiday, which I did smell in a candle today. When I showed the clip that I did of the store that has the black candle, smells just like Holiday. I think it was Spice Cardamom candle that I'd smelled, and it smells just like the Holiday scent. So if you guys like that, get it in that scent. Here's one of the wallflowers in Strawberry Pound Cake. I think that'll be nice for our daughter's room. I got some of these Cocoa Paradise. We try to keep these in the car, send them to the school with the kids or whatever, whenever they go. My daughter's starting high school this year, so we'll make sure she has a steady supply of hand sanitizer. And that's a really good scent. That was on sale for $4 for all 5 of these. So I got 2 packages of that. We keep them in the car, but the problem is it's so hot here in Florida like today. I don't know what's going on. It was really cool all the way through April, and now all of a sudden it was 104 degrees outside today. So these things will boil and bubble over. I actually had a different one from Walmart that like exploded in my car, so be warned. If you forget them out there, they will blow up on you sometimes. This is a multi-pack, and I'll open this for you guys. So this is one of the Strawberry Pound Cake scents that I wanted. There also is a pineapple mango in here. These were also only $4 for the 5. Wild berry lemonade. That sounds nice. Oh, that smells really good. That smells like some sort of candy, like berry Skittles. All right, let's get into what candles I purchased. So this candle is, oh my goodness, quickly becoming one of my favorite candles of all time. This is the Strawberry Pound Cake candle. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I love fruit print. So I love that it had the little strawberry print on here. I love any fruits, lemon, strawberry, watermelon print. I don't know, it's because I'm a Southern girl, I guess. It must be something from the South. I know a lot of girls like clothes and stuff with fruit prints too, but any of these I just love. It has the little pink inside, which I thought was so pretty because I can use it in my new office area, either with the fruit or just the pink part, because I'm doing more of a pink and gold motif. And it has this gorgeous gold lid on it. They used to have most of these in silver, but a lot of them have the gold around the labels and as well as the lids now. So pretty and goes with everything I'm doing right now. My next favorite candle is the Vanilla Bean. I have been a ride or die for this candle for many years since it came out. This is the absolute best vanilla candle I've ever smelled in my life. It's a tried and true favorite. It burns for a long time. It burns very clean and smells like a true vanilla scent, almost like vanilla extract and cake together. I don't know how to describe it except amazing. And you can burn it in the summer or winter. In the summer, it's like ice cream or baked goods off of Main Street in Disney World. And in the winter, it gives you like a home cooked, you know, Christmas cookie vibe. So I love it. I burn it all year. This is a blind buy for me. I bought the pink lavender and espresso. This is a really pretty candle. It's pink outside with a white interior. If you can see that in the light, my light is fading fast here. But it smells really good. Even when you open this candle, you can smell the lavender in here. And it does have a bit of a coffee smell. But the lavender, it smells more like a lavender macaron. If you've ever tasted a lavender macaron, that's what this smells like. Just like the ones that I've had when we were in Paris. They smell exactly like this. I'm not big on flowers in my food, but those lavender macarons were amazing. And then I also got this Paris Cafe candle. Now, I heard a lot of great reviews about this, so I bought it 100% based on you guys telling me how great it smelled. And when you open this, I mean, even before I take the lid off, I can smell it. And it is such a strong, like Starbucks coffee, caramel latte. Oh, it's going to smell amazing. I'm not a big fan of the color because it's kind of a faded brownish orange. But in the fall, it'll be pretty, you know, out with some Halloween decor, so I'll probably keep it for that. And then finally, I got this little Cafe in Venice. And let me tell you about this candle. So if you know what a Cinnabon place smells like, you can smell it across the whole mall. This is exactly what this smells like. I just let my husband smell it because he just got home from work, and I was like, what does this smell like to you? And he was like, wait, give me just a minute. He could not figure it out. I was like, Cinnabon. He was like, it does. It's like a dead ringer for a Cinnabon smell. So we have not been to Italy yet. I'm not sure if that's what cafe is over in Venice. Maybe if everything just smells like Cinnabon, but I'm down for it if that's what's going on. I love this candle though because it's pink, and I did buy one to go in this gorgeous candle holder I just got from Bath & Body Works. How pretty is this? There are these little gold butterflies with the white flowers, cherry blossoms or dogwood. And I have my backup candle of this in here already. It's so pretty. And it goes with everything I'm doing with the pink and gold in here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the shelf my husband just put together for me. I'm having so much fun putting together my little girly office space. It's hard to carve out a space for yourself in your house when you have teens and a husband and dogs. And I'm just like, okay, we're going full on girl mode. And feminine mode over in my little corner of my bedroom. Here's a little peek preview. I will show it all to you guys when I get it together, and that'll be a separate video. But anyway, thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel if you like content like this, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.